Dalian is a city surrounded by the sea, and trains were the only way to travel to north. Thus, the railway station means a lot to Dalian's people. So, the video is going to focus on this special station. We are going to introduce its past and present. This is the first Dalian Railway Station. It was built by the Russians in 1903 and made great contribution to the Russo-Japanese War. The small station was yellow in color and has been kept over 100 years. Once, it was damaged by the war, but it was rebuilt in 1905. Zhou and Kang Wei went to this station before. This is Junyi Station in Tokyo, Japan. Dalian Station is really similar to it. The two stations were both designed by Sotaro Ota. That's why the two stations look so similar.
咱们大连站呢，从设计来说是1935年设计的，真正的竣工使用呢是1937年开始使用。从这个老站，因为它是日本人建造的一个，特别和上野这个日本上野车站比较相像，都是一个设计师设计，从当时使用呢，应该是我看了一下资料是应该是1.4万平方米。
The station had 2 floors. It allowed the cars to send the passengers directly into the station. Its magic design is now being used widely in the world, like airports and newer stations.
那么它也巧妙地解决了一个进出站旅客的拥挤问题。它出站口和进站口分别设置在1、2楼2层。
This is Dalian Railway Station. We are right now standing here on the arm of station, the bridge. It allows that the car go on the 2nd floor of the station, and you can see that. The main building is like a hat with 2 ears on each side.
The vertical cloth style, which is also called Bauhaus style, was popular in the 1920s. The roof of the station was designed in a unique style. It is different from the other stations. This special kind of wooden seat saved a lot of space. People can sit around it. The station continued to change its decoration. Most of those portraits even appeared. But the overlook of the station didn't change, as well as the status of it. It affected all the Dalian people and passengers. Prince Shahenlo came for a visit in 1972. After Japan invaded the northeast of China, Japanese set up a company called Manchuria Railway Company. They built railway in the northeast and used it to steal the treasure in the northeast. Dalian was an important city for Japan, thus they wanted to build a bigger station. The station helped Japan invade China and gave huge loss to people. But it made the economy grow at the same time.
位置，从对旅客上车出行确实比较方便，因为大连市也是个将近100年城市了，所以社会发展也快，大连市的交通、文
2017 is the 80th birthday of the station. After 80 years, the station is now being better and better.
是2012年5月份来到大连站工作的，到现在应该是5年多了。我在服务台工作，我的工作主要性质是帮助残疾人旅客或者是那些有困难的旅客，开绿色通道，帮助他们上车。我感觉还是很开心的。大连站应该是会越来越好。你看路上的按摩椅还能换，都是换的。我感觉大连站未来的发展应该是会越来越好的，在服务这方面，我们应该是也是越来越好。
如果是回家的话还可以，如果是走得远的话，回来的话，如果看大连站特别亲切。
从高铁呢，咱们正常的运行，就从咱们沈局东北地区呢，正常的是2012年的12月1日开始，有这个高铁列车。
In 80 years, the invaded railway became the fastest railway. The hard chair became the massage chair. We're proud to say that we're becoming stronger. Although Dalian Station means the pain of the old people, we're now using it to make our country better.